Welcome back to the Fairview Alpha 2021 school year. We are so excited to see your students next week, whether it be virtual or face-to-face. There are a few things that I wanted to talk to you about as we begin this new school year. We have missed your students. We can't wait to see them. I wanted to start out by talking about the beginning of the day. When your students walk in, you will see that there are scanners at the end of the bus hallway and at the beginning of the car line. They will scan your child's temperature. If your child has a 100.4 temperature, we will pull your child into the office and we will call you to let you know that you need to come and pick up your child. At the beginning of the morning, they will pick up breakfast in the main hallway and they will bring it to their classrooms. For lunch, your child will go through the cafeteria and pick up their lunch and bring it to the classroom and eat their lunch in the classroom. We are welcoming parents of pre-K and kindergarten students to bring their children to the classroom the first day of school. And then after that, if you want to come onto campus, you need to make an appointment with the secretary, myself, or Miss Doherty. Your children will be in static groups, meaning that they will not mix and mingle with other classes. They will go to PE, they will go to computer lab, and they will go to recess, but they will not mix with other groups. The teachers have hand sanitizer that they will be using all day, every day, and then they have a total clean product that they will be using to clean the classrooms at the end of the day. We're not allowing backpacks on campus, but you can bring a lunchbox. For 3rd through 6th grade, children must wear a mask. The teachers will be wearing masks. All of us will be wearing masks all day. For pre-K to 2nd grade, we are encouraging masks. I've purchased lanyards for all of the students to wear that they can hang their mask off to take a breather during the day. We will allow that. We do have a video on our Facebook page that you can go and look at to see what we are doing to make sure that your children are safe on campus. We have done everything possible to make sure there's nothing that we have overlooked. I can assure you that your children are going to be safe on campus. We are going to change our car line route, but you will notice that when you do come and pick up your children. If you have any questions at all, you can email me. It's bwilliams@nat.k12.la.us, or you can call the school 476-4616. I also encourage you to email your teachers or contact your teachers. They are here to answer any questions if you have any concern. And again, we can't wait to see your babies.